Imagine this. A patient comes in with a frozen shoulder and her doctor told her that it might take up to a year to heal. She is really frustrated and she needs your help. So you treat her, but the results are slow and not as effective as you'd like. Now imagine this instead. You are getting great results by using trigger point release, bone-pecking technique, and deep needling with confidence. And let's be honest, we didn't learn these back in TCM school. I sure didn't. Did you? This is exactly what Dr. Rebecca Stevens is teaching in part 3 of her Acupuncture Musculoskeletal Manual online course, which focuses on shoulder, chest, and upper arm. This course is a game changer that's going to get you from, I hope this works, to, I know how to treat this with confidence. Inside the course, you're going to get step-by-step close-up demos, including assessment, needling technique, range of motion, and palpation of over 16 muscles around the shoulder girdle. You're getting 6 hours of continuing education, a certificate, lifetime access, so take your time. You can watch the videos over and over if you need to, and a 7-day money-back guarantee. I took this course and loved it. The shoulder is one of my favorite areas, and yet still so complex that I really am grateful for Rebecca's teaching when it comes to the shoulder girdle. This course will give you the tools to finally stop guessing and get consistent results. Now, let Dr. Rebecca take you on a tour inside the course.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Stevens, Doctor of TCM and acupuncturist in the Greater Vancouver area of British Columbia, Canada, and I'm so very excited to be bringing you this course. It is a thorough dive into everything you need to know and know how to do to effectively treat musculoskeletal pain today. Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you've just discovered this series. Happy to present this, the latest, and what I believe is the greatest installment of the Acupuncturist Musculoskeletal Manual 5-course series. Let me ask you, how many shoulder patients did you see this week? How many times did you see an issue related to poor posture come through your door? It is a fact that musculoskeletal pain and injury is the #1 reason people seek out acupuncture treatments worldwide. And these conditions are the great equalizers. They really do affect us all and represent the majority of visits to clinics across the globe. It is with great enthusiasm that we are launching this 3rd course, which focuses on the shoulder, chest, and upper arm. And when I say enthusiasm, I really mean it. This is one of my favorite areas of the body to treat. And as such, this course ended up being a lot longer than anticipated. But it's that way because it is chock full of tips, tricks, clinical pearls, and tons of extras. So I couldn't bring myself to trim it down, and here you have it. This is a very bonus-full segment. Here's where this course series stands out. It is 75% hands-on. This is not just about theory. This is also about giving you real skills you can apply immediately in clinic, allowing you to safely, competently, and effectively approach even the most complex cases with confidence. If you have a keen interest in how the body works, and you desire to be a busy practitioner with a full schedule and waitlist, these are the techniques you want to master. I go deep into assessment strategies, helping you streamline and refine your diagnosis. I talk about each structure in depth, adding both the facts as well as my own clinical experiences. I demonstrate a lot, and I mean a lot, of needling, including the techniques, tricks, and insights that help you get immediate results. I also cover specialized methods like bone-pecking to address joint, ligament, and tendon issues, which, as you know, show up all the time in practice. On top of that, you'll learn hands-on adjunct therapies you can integrate directly into your treatments. Plus, more bonus material in the appendix section to support your anatomy knowledge and basic assessment skills. Throughout the course, I'm right there with you to answer your questions as they come up. When you have feedback, we listen. The improvements in this installation are direct results of student feedback, and we've doubled back to start adding improvements to the sections you already own. So, if you're ready to sharpen your skills, get better results, and build a thriving, in-demand practice, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
This course is not just about theory, it's what you can use in clinic the next day. Do you need part 1 and 2 in order to invest in part 3? No, you don't. Now, if you have taken part 1 and 2, this is your logical next step. If you haven't yet, part 1 and 2 covers the entire lower body, from the lower back to the foot. What are you waiting for? If you've ever felt unsure about treating frozen shoulder or rotator cuff injury, this course is for you. Click the link below and get instant access now.